At the end of the day, we are helping people achieve a dream. This is all we do. We understand homeowners, and we do that really well, and I think people are really proud of what they do. I'm Kathy Gregory. I'm the founding CEO and president of Paradigm. 14 years ago, there was 20 of us. It was our first year, and we launched the organization. In our first year, we did $1.5 billion, and so surpassed our own expectations and certainly the markets. We have almost 400 people now. We have offices in Vancouver, Toronto, and Montreal, so we're really well represented nationally.
What Paradigm does well, it does really well. I think what makes Paradigm Quest exceptional is its culture. It's a fun work environment, and maintaining that culture has been exceptionally important because then that leads to productivity.
One of the key things is mentorship. The ability to constantly be learning is unlike anything else I've ever experienced. The opportunities are boundless, and it is truly an environment where you can pave your own success.
People want to know what is the pulse of the company, not just from the CEO's perspective, but department by department, what's their pulse?
So when I talk to my team, I guess the three most important things for us, we strive for a 24 to 48 hour turnaround time on document processing, compliance in all areas, friendly customer service, whether it's to an institutional client or to a homeowner, we want to make sure they feel supported in that way.
Working at Paradigm is awesome. I've been here for 12 years. One of the things our department focuses on is keeping our clients well informed anytime there's an industry change that would have any kind of an impact on them.
If I was to explain what I do to my stepfather, what I'd say is that the QA department, we assess what our investors' needs are, translate that into a project, implement it, test it, making sure that the experience from our broker all the way to our client is smooth and we're putting people in homes.
As an underwriter, it's so important to develop a strong relationship with our brokers so that we can get those deals done, meet our targets, but especially exceed their expectations, because that puts them in a position where they can go back and wow their client.
We're a very nimble organization. You don't know what's going to happen. Government changes, liquidity crises, but it doesn't really matter what hits you. If you can problem solve together before everybody else, you'll win. And I think that, for me, that is what I believe to be the secret of the success of this company.
We are constantly looking to innovate and add value to all three of our clients, investors, brokers, and borrowers. I actually love whiteboarding, listing out what we're trying to solve, thinking through the scenarios, connecting the dots.
As a business analyst, I'm gathering requirements to make sure that we are getting the best deals, we can process our deals faster, which leads to the happy customer. And from the customer perspective, I think that we are making home ownership possible.
Finance is not the most exciting job to do, but we do care about our work here. We do care about our investors the same way that they care about us. And I think that's why we stand above perhaps other companies.
We have a really specialized team. At maturity, we have 90% of our customers stay with us. That didn't happen by accident. That is an incredibly high retention level. They stay with us because of the experience.
Our real focus is first call resolution, whether that be on the phone or email. Somebody does not have 24 hours or 48 hours to wait just to get a quick response, and we want to make sure that we make the homeowner feel as comfortable as possible and get all the answers they need.
When you call in, you're going to get a live person on the phone. All of our customer service representatives are highly trained and very qualified. They're awesome to work with, and they know their job inside and out.
We want you to know that it is a person-to-person interaction. We know that there's a person at the end of that file or mortgage application or request, and there's another person handling that for you with care and due diligence.
Generally, my department's compliance is 24 hours. Usually, we're done within the hour. We're a pretty speedy department.
I've learned how hard people work to get things done, how deadlines are met, and how we still have enough time to have fun. It is a small family. It's a tight-knit community where everyone knows everyone's name.
We have had 15 years of unbelievably dramatic success, but we're not done. We really want to be the largest non-banking institutional mortgage provider in the country. And so we've got a long way to go in terms of that happening, but I will not rest until we get there.